Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install the Canon PIXMA TR150 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA TR150 support and go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with Canon support for PIXMA TR150. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and expand the software and drivers section. And then underneath the third category here, you want to locate the TR150 series driver setup package and select the download button for that corresponds to that item. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then let this install here. And then select Start Setup, select Next. And then you want to go ahead and select Yes, and then agree to the terms. And then you can select either USB or Wi-Fi connection, whatever your preference is, and then select Next here, and then let it install. And then just follow along, like I said, with the on-screen directions here, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.